We're also watching crude prices this morning. Let's show you what's going on, falling sharply as the rising number of coronavirus cases sparking concern now about demand for oil. Overnight, Chinese officials said there are more than 2,800 confirmed cases of the fast-spreading coronavirus. The death toll now rising to 81, and the virus has spread internationally, with 5 confirmed cases in the United States and infected patients in Singapore, Australia, France, and Nepal. China's extended the Lunar New Year holiday to try to halt the spread of the virus, and we're going to get to Eunice, who is right now in Beijing. Eunice.
Thanks so much, Andrew. Well, I'm coming to you from a very popular entertainment district in Beijing, which is called Sanlitun. This place has tons of restaurants and bars and would normally be buzzing this time of night, maybe not as much because of the Lunar New Year holiday, but still, right now, it is extremely quiet. And what you're seeing here is really being replicated all over the country. People are worried about leaving their homes, and they're concerned. So the government has been taking many more aggressive measures to try to contain what they've described as the strengthening virus. Over the weekend, the Chinese Premier Li Keqiang was assigned the official to manage this pandemic. He is currently in the city of Wuhan, the hot zone of this outbreak. And this comes after President Xi Jinping had also, over the weekend, convened an emergency meeting when he described the situation as grave. Now, many of the authorities here have come under criticism, especially the local authorities in Wuhan. The Wuhan mayor actually just today offered to resign. And this is after yesterday he said that 5 million people had left Wuhan because of the Lunar New Year holiday and the outbreak. So that is the bigger than the size of the population of the entire city of Los Angeles. In terms of what the government is doing now, they've taken more steps, saying they're going to extend the Lunar New Year holiday by 3 days to February 2nd. And then 2 economic centers, Suzhou and Shanghai, have also just said that they're going to extend their holiday, and they've basically ordered companies not to return to work until February 9th for Shanghai and February 8th for Suzhou. And the question now really is exactly how long will companies stay closed? I was talking on the phone with Ford, and they said that they're trying to decide exactly how long they're going to be staying closed. And then the Shanghai markets, we've been asking them, the markets are, when are you guys going to open? And they still haven't decided. So these are the questions that people are asking because there's so much uncertainty right now over the virus.
And part of the problem, I guess, Eunice, is the incubation period. They're not really sure. It could be anywhere from 1 to 14 days, and I understand it's asymptomatic, but you are contagious. So if 5 million people left, none of them showing any signs or any symptoms, you can't have a high degree of confidence that all those people aren't spreading it somewhere else.
Absolutely. That's actually what's adding to the fear here, because the health officials over the weekend had said that the incubation period on average is 10 days. It could be as short as 1 day and as long as 14 days. And that unlike the SARS outbreak in 2003, people are apparently contagious during this time when they're not showing symptoms. So with SARS, once you showed symptoms, then you were contagious. But in this situation, it's not the same. And so that's just adding to the concern here.
Eunice, Michelle, good to see you. Why are you wearing the mask? Is that required? Is that caution on your part?
It's not required in Beijing yet, but everybody is wearing a mask here. And the recommendation has been to wear a mask. And that's, again, another reason why there's been such a focus on the lack of protective gear and masks, because it's not only in Wuhan where people feel the need to protect themselves, but now because of the fear of the spread, people across the country are feeling that they need to wear these masks.